mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan Angkatan 1 di Universitas Berbeda tahun 2020. Saya adalah seorang guru bahasa Inggris di SMP Negeri 1 Dolok Batunanggar yang mengajar kelas 8. Siswa saya berjumlah 25 orang, namun yang bisa bergabung pada pembelajaran daring melalui aplikasi Google Meet pada hari ini 18 September 2020 hanya 14 orang. Dikarenakan keterbatasan kuota dan spesifikasi gawai Android yang mereka miliki tidak mencukupi untuk mengakses aplikasi Google Meet. Demikian yang bisa saya sampaikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning.
Okay. Yes. How are you today? How are you this morning? Okay, very good. Yes, I hope you are in a good condition. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's pray. Come on, let's pray first. Finish. Okay, if I say Dobana Junior High School, everybody answer me. Dobana Junior High School, smart, active, champion. Okay, once again. Dobana. Okay, once again. Dobana Junior High School. Dobana Junior High School. Yes, smart, active, champion. Okay.
Smart, active,
Okay, thank you.
champion.
Okay, let me show you this slide. Okay, let me show you this slide. Okay. Okay. There is a motivation sentence: strive for progress, not perfection. It means that no one can be perfect all the time, and progress is the only way that you can improve. Try and progress if you work and keep going even you make mistakes. So, strive for progress. Including dalam belajar juga ada perjuangan, ya kan? To get better future. So, you don't be afraid if you are mistake. Jadi nggak masalah kalau kalian bikin kesalahan, because the important one is the progression, not perfection. Jadi yang paling penting itu adalah ada kemajuan yang kita kerjakan, bukan kesempurnaan. Okay, so I want you answer our previous lesson. Okay. Okay, do you still remember our last lesson? Explain about the social function of generic structure. Okay, anyone want to answer? Explain about the social function of generic or the social function of greeting card. Okay, that's my question. What is the social function of greeting card?
To compliment someone, to express our wish, and to express our sympathy.
Okay, very good. Next question. Explain about the expression of greeting card. Kesha, can you answer my question? What are the expression of greeting card?
To compliment someone, to express our wish, and to express our sympathy. To compliment someone, to express our
The expression of greeting card. The expression.
Yeah, miss. To congratulate someone, to express our
Yes. Okay, Kesha, can you hear my voice?
The expression of greeting card is congratulations. Congrats, I wish you all the best. I'm sorry for your loss and get well soon.
Okay, very good. So you have already mastered the lesson that we have discussed last time. Okay.
The expression
I have
of
a
greeting
new
card
question.
is congratulations.
Okay. What do you
Congrats,
feel if you
I wish you all
are
the
in a
best. I'm
vehicle
sorry
on a
for
busy
your
road?
loss and get well
Okay.
soon.
What do you feel if you are in a vehicle on a busy road? Dewi, can you answer my question? Dewi, okay. Dewi, can you answer my question?
I feel uncomfortable.
Okay, very good, Dewi. Okay. And then next, why do you feel so? Why do you feel so? Hotma, can you answer my question? Why do you feel so? You
I feel
uncomfortable if you are in a vehicle. Yeah. Once again, Hotma. Yes. Okay. Once again, what is your answer?
Because there is
Because there is much smoke.
Yes, miss. Because there is much smoke from the vehicle. Because
Yes.
there is because there is much smoke from the vehicle. So we can say
Okay. There is much smoke from the vehicle, or there is much air pollution. Okay, very good. So I will tell you our learning objective for today. Jadi tujuan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini adalah Our learning objective for today is melalui diskusi kelompok, peserta didik dapat menganalisis, menyimpulkan, dan membuat teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait keberadaan orang dan benda sesuai konteks penggunaannya dengan capaian nilai 70. So, after learning this material, you are called to analyze, conclude, and make a short, simple, transactional text. And then our today's activities are pre-test, group discussion, and post-test. Jadi kegiatan kita pada hari ini ada 3. Yang pertama pre-test, kemudian group discussion, dan post-test. Oke. Next, let's see the pre-test. Okay, there is a picture and 2 questions. I want you to finish this in 5 minutes and give your answer to my WhatsApp. Silakan, ada 2 soal untuk pre-test, kemudian boleh dijawab dan dikirimkan ke WA saya. Okay. Next. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Everybody, please observe this picture. Oke, coba semuanya lihat dulu gambar yang saya tampilkan. Oke. So, what comes into your mind if you see this picture? Any
Okay,
question? Coba, pertanyaan apa yang muncul ketika kalian melihat gambar yang saya tampilkan? Apa ya pertanyaannya ya? Do you have any question about the pictures?
Why is the road busy?
Okay, very good. Good question. Any other question? I hope you ask 3 questions. Saya harap kalian menanyakan 3 pertanyaan. Oke, Fatia sudah tanya 1 pertanyaan. Next to question. 2 soal lagi apa kira-kira ya? Come on. Ya, oke, silahkan. 2 soal lagi. Oke, Zahra want to ask a question? Or Anissa?
Why does the policeman look screaming and pointing to some people?
Okay, very good. Why does the policeman and good question. 1 lagi. Apa ya? Okay.
Why does
One
the
more
policeman
question. Satu
look
soal.
screaming and pointing to some
Soal lagi.
people?
Yes. One more question. 1 soal lagi.
How do we state the existence of things and people?
Okay, very good. So, I can conclude your question into this one. Okay.
How do we state the existence of things and people?
Okay. Okay, so I can conclude your question into this form. The first question is, why is the road busy? Okay. And then the second one, why does the policeman look screaming and pointing to some people? And the last question, how do we state the existence of things and people? Okay, so we have 3 questions and we will discuss these questions in our group. I have already divided you in a group and you may check your WhatsApp group. Okay, saya tunggu di link yang kedua ya. Jadi Anissa, Kesya, Zahra, Fatia, silakan masuk ke link yang kedua.
Okay, Miss.
Oke, ya, saya tunggu di link yang kedua.
Okay, Miss.
Oke. Ya, Zahra, kita tunggu si Kesya sama Fatia sama Anissa ya. Oh, Kesya juga ya. Kesya, Fatia, Zahra. Oke. Oke, good. Oh, Fatia tadi kayaknya ada ya. Fatia, mana dia ya? Oh, Fatia belum masuk ya? Kesya, Anissa. Nah, ini dia Fatia. Oke. Ya, kita tunggu si Fatia. Oke, boleh di-on-kan kameranya semua. Saya baru lihat si Fatia sama Kesya di sini. Anissa sama Zahra belum on kameranya di laptop saya. Oke, dengar saya?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, yes.
Yes, Miss.
Ini kamera sudah di-on-kan semua. Silakan kameranya di-on-kan. Kemudian kalian saling tanya jawab ya yang 3 soal itu. Misalnya Anissa tanya Fatia. Fatia, why is the road busy, Fatia? Nanti Fatia jawab, tanya sama Fatia kan. Fatia, why is the road busy? Ya, nanti kan Anissa tanya, Fatia langsung jawab. Kemudian nanti untuk soal yang kedua, Zahra tanya Kesya. Kesya, why does the policeman look screaming and pointing to some people? Nanti Zahra tanya, si Kesya yang jawab. Kemudian setelah itu nanti Fatia tanya soal yang ketiga ke si Zahra.
Oke, Miss.
Nanti Fatia bilang, nanti Fatia bacakan soal yang nomor 3. Nanti Zahra jawab yang we state the existence of things and people. Nah, itulah dia. Oke, bisa?
Oke, Miss. Bisa, Miss.
Oke.
Everybody, you may discuss the 3 questions here. Okay, start from Anissa. Okay, you can start the discussion. Why is the road busy? Yes, come on. Yes, Anissa, please.
Fatia, why is the road busy? The road is busy because there are many vehicles. There are also many pedestrians. There is a policeman. There is a girl who falls down from the motorcycle. There are 2 people who help her. There are some people who wear helmets.
Okay, very good, Fatia. So, there are so many activities while the road is busy. Okay, very good. Next one. Why does the policeman look screaming and pointing to some people? Okay, Zahra, you may ask the question to Kesya. Okay, silakan Zahra, you may ask Kesya's opinion.
Kesya, why does the policeman look screaming and pointing to some people?
Okay, good.
Because there's a girl who falls down from the motorcycle and the policeman points to her scream to some people around to help her. There are many vehicles on the road and some of them drive very fast. Maybe the girl is less careful or less disciplined on the road.
Okay, thank you, Kesha. That's a very good opinion. Why the policeman looks screaming and pointing at some people. Okay, very good. The last question. It is written, we will learn to show the existence of things and people. How do we state the existence of things and people? Okay, anyone want to discuss about this? Okay, the last question. So, Zahra, can you hear me, Zahra?
Zahra, it's written we will learn to show existence existence of things and people. How do we state the existence of things and people?
We state the existence of things and people by using there is of there are. There is of there are means ada. The use of there is followed by singular noun. The use of is followed by plural noun.
Okay, very good, Zahra. So you have already known that there is followed by singular noun. Singular noun itu adalah kata benda tunggal.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, good. And then there are followed by plural noun. Jadi kata benda yang more than one, lebih dari satu. Okay, so there is or there are means ada. Jadi artinya there is ataupun there are itu ada ya. Ya, your discussion into our first link to others friends. Okay, jadi kita mau presentasikan ini ke kawan-kawan kita. Jadi kita kembali lagi ke link yang pertama tadi. Jadi nanti caranya gini. Nanti saya suruh kalian presentasi. Coba Fatia, nanti Fatia membacakan soalnya dan langsung jawabannya. Question number 1. Why is the road busy? Jadi Fatia sendiri yang baca soalnya, kemudian langsung Fatia juga yang bacakan jawabannya. Oke. Kemudian untuk soal nomor 2, Kesya baca soalnya sendiri dan langsung jawabannya sendiri. Oke, ya, Fatia nomor 1, Kesya nomor 2, kemudian nomor 3 boleh Zahra. Jadi nanti Zahra membacakan dan langsung menjawab soal nomor 3. Untuk soal nomor 3 bisa ya, nomor 1 Fatia, Zahra. Oke? Kalau sudah paham, ya. Jadi nanti kalau sudah paham, kita boleh leave dari link yang ini, kita tutup, kita masuk ke link yang sebelumnya. Kita kembali lagi ke link yang pertama. Oke? Kita kembali ke link yang pertama ya. Ya.
Okay, Miss.
Oke, ya.
Okay, Miss.
Ya, oke, good.
Okay, Miss.
Yes. Semuanya sudah masuk, sudah kembali lagi ke link yang pertama ya.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, ya.
Ya, Miss.
Oke, good. Ya, wait. Okay, you have already discussed with your group, so it's time for you to present your discussion with your group. Yes, number 1 Fatia, and then number 2 Kesya, number 3 Zahra. Okay, yeah. Fatia, number 1 please.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, please.
Why is the road busy? The road is busy because there are many vehicles. There are also many pedestrians. There is a policeman. There is a girl who falls down from the motorcycle. There are 2 people who help her. There are some people who wear helmet.
Okay, very good. And then next question, Kesya.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Screaming and pointing to some people. It's because there's a girl who falls down from the bike, and the policeman points her scream to some people around to help her. There are many kinds of them drive very fast, speed, flexible, or simple the road.
Yes, thank you, Kesha. Next, the last question. How do we state the existence of things and people? Okay, Zahra?
How do we see the existence of things and people? We state the existence of things and people by using there is of there are. There is of there are means ada. There is followed with a singular noun. There are followed by plural noun.
Okay, good. So we have already discussed and answered the three questions based on the picture.
Okay, so I give you an example. There is a picture and two questions. Okay, pay attention to this picture. There are crowded people in this picture, many vehicles, right? And then the first question, is this road busy? Why? And how do we state the existence of things and people by using there is or there are? Okay, let's see the answer. Ya, setelah kita memperhatikan gambar, kemudian ada dua soal di sana. Kita lihat apa ya jawabannya. Oke. Wait a minute. Okay, so based on the picture, is this road busy? Yes, it is busy, very busy. Why? Because there are so many kinds of transportation, many people's activities on the road. And then question number 2, how do we state the existence of things and people by using there is or there are? There is a barber shop beside the refill perfume store. There are many people on their vehicles. There are many buildings. There is a hawker. There are many people who wear helmet. Oke, jadi ketika ada soal seperti yang tadi, ya kan, you have already, you can answer based on the picture by using there is or there are. Oke, jadi berdasarkan gambar yang tadi, kita sudah belajar how do we state the existence of things and people? Bagaimana ya kita mendeskripsikan sesuatu ataupun orang berdasarkan gambar yang disuguhkan. Ternyata kita bisa menggunakan there is or there are. Jadi there is followed by singular noun. There is diikuti kata benda yang tunggal, hanya satu bendanya. And there are followed by plural noun. Jadi kalau there are diikuti dengan benda yang lebih dari satu. Oke, now we come to our post test. Sekarang kita kembali mengerjakan post test. Nah, ini dia. Jadi soal post test itu sama seperti soal pretest, ya. There is picture and two question. Ada satu gambar, dua soal, sama seperti pretest tadi. Okay, please give your answer and send it to my WhatsApp. Okay, I give you 5 minutes. Ya, silahkan dikerjakan. Kemudian kirimkan jawabannya ke WA saya. Okay.
Okay, then for your assignment at home, I have 2 assignment. Jadi untuk tugas di rumah ada 2 ya. Ya, kita lihat. Yang pertama, okay, the first assignment, answer the question on this link. Okay, I will send the link to our WhatsApp group. Saya akan kirimkan link ini ke grup WA kita. Jadi kalian boleh langsung mengirim jawabannya. There are 5 questions only in multiple choice. Jadi ada 5 soal pilihan berganda. Ini soal yang pertama. Okay, and then the second assignment. Soal yang kedua. Oke, nah ada gambar juga. Nanti I will send this picture into our group. Saya kirimkan gambarnya melalui WA. Make the description about this picture by using there is or there are at least 10 sentences. Jadi ada gambar, kemudian deskripsikan gambar ini dengan menggunakan there is ataupun there are. Jadi kita harus bikin deskripsinya 10 kalimat dengan menggunakan there is or there are. Okay, and then don't forget to put your file in PDF form and send it to my WhatsApp. Jadi ketika sudah ditulis, kemudian dikirim dalam bentuk PDF ya, dan dikirim ke WA saya. Oke, any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Okay, if there is no question, okay, so I want to ask you, what do you feel when you are studying our new material today? What is the positive or the negative points in our learning activities? Oke, sekarang kita sampai ke bagian refleksi ya. Oke, coba silahkan berikan tanggapan kalian. Apa sih yang bagusnya dari kegiatan kita hari ini? Kemudian yang jeleknya apa? Mungkin yang jeleknya bagian ini ya, jaringan ya mungkin ya. What do you like? What do you like from our learning activities? So, what do you like? And what do you dislike? Yes, want to give your opinion, please?
I like the picture, please.
Okay.
I like the picture.
And then, what else? And I hope that you know how to state the existence of things and people, right? Okay, so don't forget to finish your assignment at home. Stay strong, stay healthy, and don't forget to read our next material for next meeting. It's about the quantifier. I think that's all for today. See you next week. Yeah, thanks for today. Okay, yeah, see you. Yeah.